Welcome to session 10 of our class. For this week's assignment, you will proceed through a series of mini lessons around social emotional learning. These are meant to be thought-provoking about some of the current contemporary issues that we've been discussing in class and maybe some ways to address the needs of students within our school systems and coaching settings that create not only an academic production and achievement, but also social emotional growth so that we can function better together as a society. So think about those as you go through the series of mini lessons with videos, narrated PowerPoints, and other links for you to explore. That all of that is when you open the box about the social emotional learning module in week 10. And the assignment follows that box where it's the assignment link for the reflections on your social emotional learning module. You'll be asked 3 prompt questions and you'll be writing a paragraph to reflect your responses for each of those questions to turn in. Finally, just a reminder that you should be finishing up your book for your book team project. In 2 weeks, you will be working for that whole week with your team to produce your interactive kinds of presentation that you're going to give on your book. So you also might want to make sure that you reach out with your teammates to see if you, even at the beginning of the week, if there's a time that you'd like to talk by Zoom or a conference call or a Google Hangout, any way that you want to communicate other than just writing back and forth as you plan your presentation and divide up how everyone can be a part of that. So heads up now, just to be finishing your book so that you can concentrate on putting that presentation together in 2 weeks. Everyone have a wonderful week.